What if the weight is not holding you back, but holding you together until you are strong enough to carry what God is carrying to you? The silence is not empty. You prayed in the morning. You prayed late at night. You held to your faith with the last of your might. The answer feels buried, the promise delayed. But God has not shifted, and God is not swayed. The silence you sit in is not an empty room. It is a workshop, a kiln, a holy womb. He is shaping a thing you have not seen yet. Something so big it required the weight to be set. So breathe in the quiet and trust what you know. God plants in the dark what He plans to let grow. Jesus chose the weight before the crown. He did not arrive with a fanfare of ease. He knelt in a garden and fell to His knees. He trembled and wept in the shadow of night, then stood up and walked straight into the fight. He wore every splinter. He bore every blow. He lay in a tomb through 3 days of shadow. The whole earth held silent. Then Sunday exploded. The weight He had carried became glory unloaded. He walked through the heaviest road ever known, so that you would never walk yours alone. When the weight overwhelms you and bends every bone, He is right there beside you. You are not alone. Every hard day is building you. The days that have broken you open the most are the days God was present, not a ghost. He used every crack and He used every tear to build something stronger than what was once there. You cannot grow roots in a sky full of ease. The deepest roots form in the coldest of freeze, and God does not hand you the harvest in haste. He first grows the hands so that nothing is wasted. What felt like a setback was set up in disguise. What looked like a burial was God on the rise. Hold on. The bigger the weight, the greater the glory. So lift up your eyes from the weight of today. The God who made mountains has not lost your way. The promise He made you still stands in the air. He does not make promises He cannot bear. The longer He keeps you inside of the weight, the wider the shoulders, the bigger the gate, the heavier the weight that has pressed on your chest, the louder your story will ring with the rest. Jesus held on through the dark and the grave. The weight that He carried became what He gave. And that same God holds you with those very hands. Do not let go now. He still has His plans. Your Sunday is coming. Your stone will be moved. The weight and the weight will be fully approved. Hold on one more moment. Stay rooted. Stay tall. The longer the weight, the bigger God's call. The longer the weight, the bigger what God is building. The heavier the weight, the greater the glory ahead. You are not forgotten. You are being formed. God is not done, not even close.